welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a very exciting unboxing. We are going to be unboxing the, wait, what was it called again? I feel like it's one of those days where you literally don't even know what day it is or what is going on in the world. I'm just gonna sip on my coffee here. This is my second cup of coffee, by the way. Not that you guys need to know at all. Okay, we're just gonna get back into it. So we are going to be unboxing, wait, why am I saying we? We're not unboxing, I'm unboxing this. Okay, so I am going to be unboxing the iPad Air 3 that I just recently purchased, and I finally got it in the mail. And I also purchased some accessories from Amazon to go with the iPad, so I'm also going to be unboxing those and sharing them with you guys. I am so excited because this is the newest addition to my Apple devices family, or whatever you want to call it. The only thing left now for me to get is the Apple Watch, but I'm not really a watch person, so I think I'm just gonna save my money. But who knows, maybe that will change eventually. I also have a MacBook unboxing video up on my YouTube channel, which I got last year. So I'll have that linked. I think it's here or here, somewhere here. So I'll have it there if you guys are interested in checking that out. Before we jump ahead into the video, I wanted to run you guys down. Wait, is that how it goes? Like, run you guys down? Honestly, tell me if you guys do this too, but I feel like there's so many times where I have to say something and I know exactly what I want to say, but I can't find the word, so I literally just make something weird up, and it's like, I always do this. But basically, I want to give you guys a backstory on why I decided to get the iPad Air in the first place. So my first iPad that I got was like 6 to 7 years ago. This was when I was back in university, which, wow, makes me feel really old. So this was like when, you know, iPads were first trending, that just came out, and the whole world was going crazy. So I was like, duh, like, I'm gonna jump on this bandwagon. And so I got it too. But honestly, like, I barely even ever used it. Like, I can count on my fingertips the amount of times I used the iPad, because every time I had to do something, I would just use my laptop. I would just use my laptop or my phone to get anything done. So I never quite really needed the iPad. But now that I'm starting to make YouTube videos, I'm trying to improve my editing skills, I came across this app called Procreate, which is really good for that purpose. It's where you can make all those like handwritten doodles, animation scribbles, and all of that good stuff. So I wanted to start learning it, and I was like, great, I am finally going to be using my iPad that's been literally sitting just collecting dust on it. So I was so excited to finally, you know, use my iPad after like 7 years. But lo and behold, the Procreate app was incompatible with the iPad because it was so old. Like, this was like a 2012 model. So obviously it was not gonna work with it. So this is the reason why I decided to get the iPad Air. It's literally for this one app. So this app better be worth it, because I literally spent almost close to $1,000 for this app. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on that for sure. But yeah, that is why I got the iPad Air. So this is the iPad that I got. Look at my baby. I got the one in the rose gold color. It's a 10.5 inch screen. I got this in 64 gigabytes with the Wi-Fi only option. So one more thing I wanted to cover before we jump ahead into the unboxing is why I decided to go with the iPad Air amongst all of the options that there are on Apple's website. So right now there's 4 different iPad options that you can purchase. You've got the regular iPad, then you have the iPad Air, you've got the iPad Pro, and the iPad Mini. The most expensive iPad is the iPad Pro, and the least expensive is the regular iPad, because that is their oldest model, I believe. So I decided to go with the iPad Air because, first of all, out of all of the iPads, this was like the middle price point. I don't want to spend like too much money getting an iPad Pro, because as I mentioned before, I'm only mainly going to be using the iPad for the Procreate app. So it didn't make sense for me to invest so much money into an iPad. But if you're going to be doing like your university work and other work on there, then maybe it'll make sense for you to get like the iPad Pro or something. And I only got 64 gigabytes on this iPad because, again, like I'm only gonna be using that app, so I don't think I need a lot of space. But if you're going to be using it for schoolwork, etc., you may want to upsize to the 256 gigabytes one. And then I only got the Wi-Fi option, but you can also get the one with the chip, so you can actually get service on your iPad. But again, like I'm only gonna use it at home when I'm editing, so I didn't really think that I needed to go with that option. So why spend more money when you don't need to, right? So anyway, that is all I wanted to cover, I believe. I have heard rumors, by the way, that they are, or they may be releasing the iPad Air 4 in March 2021. There have been delays because of the pandemic, so that is kind of like when they're estimating. But yeah, just wanted to put that out there. All right, guys, so I think I've said enough. I'm gonna stop right here and we're gonna jump ahead into the unboxing video. I will be doing a separate review video for the iPad Air, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any questions at all about the iPad Air 3, then feel free to pop them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer those. And with that being said, let's get into it.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
take it, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hey.
My